Hi, hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Rudy Canino, 40 years old, high school graduate from Philippines, a mother of 3 amazing kids. My work experience is taking care of kids in Kuwait for 9 years in same employer. I have also an experience in taking care of newborn baby for almost 3 years as well. When I started to work with them, the ages of kids are 12, 8, 4 years old, and 1 month old. My main duties and responsibilities is to send and pick up them in school, give them nutritious food, change diaper, feeding bottle of the newborn baby. I assist them also in their English homework and shower them before going to bed. Since the kids are in school and the baby was asleep, I do also household chores like basic cooking, cleaning, ironing clothes, and laundry. Mom and sir, I'm kind, patient, trustworthy, and hardworking nanny, willing to learn cooking Romanian food and adapt new culture. Mom and sir, if you give me a chance to work in your family, I promise that I'll do my best to protect, love, and raise your kids as my own child. Thank you. God bless. Have a good day. Bye-bye.